guys, welcome back to Miss Coco Ed. So I have another video that I had to put out, and of course I have the same outfit on. I'm just gonna keep it rolling. So today I will be showing you the Tory Burch that gave me a run trying to get. I finally got my bag, like I told y'all in my older video. I got my baby. Again, I'm storing my bags in these bins as well. And this is the Tory Burch Chevron small camera bag. So this bag's supposed to fit an iPhone 11 Pro or Samsung, and it's made of lambskin, zipper closure, interior zipper pocket, one split pocket, of course a dust bag is included. And to protect the leather, spot clean using a soft dry rag. So you know you don't want any color transfer to your bag. So they, of course, it comes with the dust bag and everything to keep it. And of course, they'll send you this, which is my receipt. And then inside, yeah, this is my packing set. In case I wanted to send it back with the receipt and everything, she will not be doing that. You know I'm going to. As much as I was going crazy to get it, and I finally have it, it's not going back. So this is the dust bag. And this is the Kira bag, y'all. They no longer have this color online. Most of the bags, the one that's on sale now is still the hot pink one, and that's $1.99. But this one is no longer online. But I still can put the information in it. But this bag, of course, you can adjust the straps. Okay, this is all twist. Okay. So let me keep it in here. But yeah, this is the Kira bag. I still had the plastic on it. The retail price is $3.58. Again, I told you I paid like $2.07, so I didn't even pay the whole total. And this is the back, which is no pockets. This is the zipper. I didn't take the paper or anything out because I'm not using the bag yet. So I'm not even going to take it out. I just wanted to show y'all the bag. It's beautiful. This is a nice bag. This is it with the gold. And then, of course, I say you can adjust the straps. So I have not used this bag as of yet. So I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love the color. So I went crazy trying to get this bag. And I finally have it. So this is me and my Kira Tory Burch bag. Tory Burch. Can't even get it out. My Tory Burch Kira bag. Camera bag. Love it. So they have other colors. Black, light blue, green, yellow. All of those colors are on there. But they are not for this price. The only one that's for this price is the hot pink. And they still have that. So if you're interested, this is it. Alright, y'all. I want to thank you again. I'm so happy to be sharing this with y'all and showing my tongue keep getting twisted. Sharing this with you all. I am so happy that I got my bag. This was my Mother's Day gift, and I finally got my bag. I just couldn't wait to show you all my purchase. So, well, not my purchase, the purchase they did for me. So, I'm showing you my kids and my husband did this for me. So, I want to thank them again for getting this bag for me for Mother's Day. And I want to thank y'all once again for watching my video, and also subscribing. Take the opportunity to thank you all for that. And remember to come back. I'm uploading a lot of videos today, and I'll just space them out because I'm lacking a little bit. So, you know, due to a lot going on in this world, so it's kind of hard, you know, to get in the groove, but I'm getting in it, and I want to make sure I show everything that I've been buying and keeping you all updated. And I want to make sure you all living life to the fullest, because you only live once. Thank you for tuning in to Coco, y'all. Bye.